The world around us is full of opportunities for unforgettable experiences. And with Suunto's tools, you can discover the best places to go. Heat maps for 16 different sports show where others are, for example, running, cycling, swimming, or skiing. The dots show where popular starting points are. And on the detailed topographic maps, you can plan your routes, mark waypoints along the way, and explore route recommendations around you. All this you have inside Suunto's mobile application. And all your routes and points of interest are there on your watch as well, giving you guidance along the way. You can even have turn-by-turn instructions on the watch. With all these tools, you can confidently go out, get lost, and find your way back again.